Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is May 10th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir closed down 17 cents at 7.29. That's 2.28%, closed at 7.29. Post-market, we are up by 1 cent. So let's look at what this looks like here. Basically, just a weak day after the huge down day that we had yesterday. We made a lower high, we made a lower low. So it seems we are indeed going down to the support right here. So the support might be looking like $6.36 or something like that before we might be bouncing a little bit. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. So first hour of the day, so we trended sideways, and then the first hour of the day was pretty undecided, went low, went high. We did not know what was going to happen. Then second hour came down straight, and then we are recovering a little bit before weakening again on the last hour. Nothing much to see here. In terms of indicators, of course, stochastic at 5. Can it be lower? Almost not. Every indicator is in the tank. Let's look briefly at the VIX. VIX is maintaining itself quite high, so this is not helping anybody. It came down a little bit from a high that happened today. This helped a little bit right here. If we look at the RSI here, we have a weakening in the strength of the VIX. The strength of the VIX is decreasing, even though we don't see a decrease right here. We see the VIX staying put there. Maybe this is an indication that the VIX should be coming down soon. That would be great. So we would need to break this kind of double support. This was the first support, but sometimes we are bouncing on another support right here. If we go back to this support right here and break it a little bit, then this might give some breathing room for stocks to go up a little bit. Let's look at the Dow Jones rebounding a little bit today, but not that much, getting very close to this bottom support. S&P 500 bouncing on 39.93. Well, it's not really bouncing, but it's stopping us for now. Nasdaq Composite seems to have bounced a little bit. Look at the longer wick at the bottom right here. So it seems to want to get away from that support. But in terms of the highs, we cannot go as high or higher than the high of yesterday. So this is not perfect. And Nasdaq 100 could not make a higher high, even though we made a higher low. So we see a little bit of impulse from the buyers, but still it's not very impressive. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.